To all you bikers building custom motorcycles, our budgets are limited and our time is valuable. We make mistakes, but learning is inevitable. Sketching ideas, welding and grinding is just the start. Finishing and test riding is the biggest part. We invest in our skills, tools and weekends of freedom. We clean and maintain our creations more than ride them. We always need help, but it's our last resort. Boxes of bolts, brackets, we need to sort. We all have a thinking chair and ideas at 3 AM. We are proud of our creations, now sell it and do it again.